That's all I needed. I'm counting that too. All right, guys, we're coming at you today with a little challenge video. We are at one of the most popular spots in the entire skate series, and we got Monkey doing a jam right there. Hi. How do I get it to stop saying return to session marker? Maybe it doesn't even matter, because maybe we like it like that. So I'm gonna see if I can go through the church window. Okay, I love that. I love that so much. And land onto that platform. So the other night I was trying this and I just tried it for so long and I couldn't get it, but I'm gonna see if I can get it tonight. Okay, that in real life would be a really sick trick. Land that platform. Okay, cause you have no idea what you're talking about. Dude, oh, try the coffin. What's the coffin? How do I coffin, bros? Yeah, Monkey 720, how do I coffin? No way, the ramp is gone. Why do you guys take the ramp away? Bodied. R2, L2. Whoa, dude, I'm coughing. Okay, we got this. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? And we're gonna do a coffin into the church. And we're gonna land. I'm counting that. Gonna land. Why did it put me back up there? I landed. I mean, leave it in the chat if that counted. I'm counting that too. Twice in a row. All that we're going for is to land on that platform, and I just did it twice. You guys are legendary. I literally would have spent 3 hours. Okay, I want to do this challenge, but then there's another thing I want to do. Ouch, I missed. Let's land it, let's land it. Okay, 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 okay. Ouch, let's go, coffin in. This is it, this is it. Just, no. Okay, I'm doing this, and then we're gonna go to the other part of the challenge, which is jump over the entire church. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, I want to do what that guy just did. See how he flew in? Okay. Okay, I'm doing this 3 more times, and then that's it. Okay. That was it. Stay up there. It doesn't get better than that. Oof. No parties, guys, no parties. I'm in the middle. We're filming a YouTube video right now. Everyone in this is on the YouTube video right now. Braille Skateboarding YouTube channel. No! It's Saturday night, we're chilling, literally. Get your pizza, relax, have a good skate sesh. We chilling. I literally almost did a coffin front flip into the church. Let's run this. Up, 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 up. That's all I needed. Look at me now. Look at me now. Yes. Thank you so much. I did it. Guys, I ain't gonna lie. It's beautiful in here. And now we're going back up. Because, do you guys know how I get up there? No, I need to get to the top of that building. That building. Monkey, tell me where to go. Tell me where to go. Okay. This is why this game is so rad. Because people like... No. Holy. He's hooking it up, you guys. I love how this is just like Spider-Man combined with skateboarding. Spider-Man like everybody can. Well, it's been a good life. I loved you much. I'm glad everybody learned how to kickflip. Dude, we made it. Look at him dancing. Thank you so much. Can we get a big shout out to Monkey720? Please follow him on Instagram, YouTube, Twitter. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Apparently this is all I know how to do. This is kind of how I dance at the club with my wife as well. Sorry, guys, I'm dumb. The actual thing now is this. Oof. I'm sorry. Not what I wanted to do. Okay, what I'm trying to do, get your board, go in here, and then you get to this level, and you put the board back. Yes! I'm feeling this. I don't even need the board. We're just gonna run it, we're gonna jump, and we're gonna fly. And then when we're at the right spot, we're getting the board back. And backflip. I thought there was enough to jump over the entire thing. Why isn't there enough to jump over it? I swear I've seen people do this. Okay, flipping into it? That was sick. There we go. There we go. Now I gotta land that somehow. How do I land that? I love how I keep doing that on accident. I'm pushing the wrong button. Okay. Ouch. Okay. Okay. Okay, I gotta figure out where to land. I know there's a way to land over there. The object of this challenge right now is to hit this ramp on the way down, jump anywhere, basically anywhere, and land. What the heck happened? Tell me, monkey, tell me. Check the phone. Let's go, I'm following you. Okay. Okay. Okay, you made it, I did not. You jumped to the left, you went over there. Okay, I got you, yeah, I got you. Okay, let's run it. And we're in. And why do I do that? Okay, monkey, I'm going first. You follow me, bro. I'm right in here. Okay, I'm following you. How are you going so far? Okay, I see where he's going. I don't know why that's funny. Oof. The eagle spread slows you down. Oh, what do I do then? So I go like that? No. Oh, no way. Hold up. Are you kidding me? That's gonna be crazy. This is straight Superman. No way. There's no way to land that. Okay, eagle? No eagle. Am I going too fast, you guys? Eagle into it. Spread eagle a little, then dive. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, eagle, then dive. Board. There, I landed that perfect. This is impossible. I don't know what's happening there, but I like it. Yes? Yes? And he was flying over here somewhere. Oh, I think that's where it is. You land like right in that little thing. Is there somewhere to go that's higher up? Nope, we're at the top of the building. Because we can do this. Are you kidding me? Right into a balloon. Who put that balloon there? That was perfect. Yes. Yes. I'm not high enough. I'm somehow not high enough. Okay. Okay. Straight into flight. Dude, that was it though, right? That was it. Chat, leave it in the comments below. I had it. That was it. Yeah, thank you. Dude, I'm there. Wow. No way! No way! I did it! Yes! Wow. No way! I can't believe it. Okay, I'm so stoked. Okay, guys, if you want to make a challenge, send it to me, and I'm going to try and do your challenge. I'm going to have a Discord server. I'm setting it up. I'm getting it there. So I made it. Dude, I'm stoked. Okay, that was super, super fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this challenge video. I'll be doing more of these. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes, you, learn to ride a skateboard. You are going to learn how to ride a skateboard. I'll teach you how. Ollie, front shove, pop shove, kick flip, all the tricks. We got it. I'll see you in the next episode.